power of the tool, drive even a 2-inch nail in oak like nothing, and you can still set your depth.
That nail drives so fast that you don't get the splitting or the bigger hole. All your base molding and that, you can just keep working right down the line, 16-inch on center, and you're just constantly nailing. So as fast as you want to pull that trigger, you can get your nails in, move on, next stud, get them nailed all the way down. The nailer works fantastic because you have visual sight of the head. You can see right where you're putting it. There's no jumping or anything. You pull the trigger, it's right there, done.
The consistency is wonderful. You can just set your depth to where you need to be and you can go all day long.
It's just perfect where you can actually get into the squarest of the quarter, and I mean, you can get anywhere with it.
A lot quicker than a lot of the other brands. Trigger response is immediate, which is nice because it usually isn't that case with the actual battery gun.
The way the batteries perform, it's just, I never even paid attention that, you know, the battery life. We used a 2.0 and that lasts us the whole day. The buttons are for your on off, your bump fire and single fire. They're out of the way so you're not banging them when you're actually using the tool.
Pull the trigger, that nail's gonna come out and you know exactly what's gonna come out.
I love that tool, Milwaukee's design of their tools. Very versatile tool, very heavy duty built, durable.
18 gauge brad nailer is a rock star.